Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing today? Today I'm going to do a how-to video. I'm going to show you how you could customize a hat or how you could customize a jacket using acrylic paints, Posca markers, or whatever you want to use. I'm just going to walk you through on how I do it, and then maybe you could try it out, experiment yourself. Alright, here we go. Thanks. Alright, for the first step, what I do is I take a white craft paint. This stuff says it's good for fabrics and just about anything else. So I take a white, and then I just take I got this bigger paintbrush, and I got this other paintbrush. I got other paintbrushes I can use too, but I just basically dump a bunch of this onto here, and then I just put down a base coat, a nice, not too thick but not too thin, and I use water. I always have a little cup of water that I dip in. So if the paint starts getting too thick on your brush, you just clean your brush out and then just keep going, and try not to get too thick and not too thin, but you just want to get a nice coat over the thing so that when you go in with your paint, you already got a nice coat of paint so that it takes the paint instead of, otherwise you'll sit there forever trying to get the paint to pop. And this is the first step to making it look like it really pops and is really bright. The white craft paint is awesome. Alright, so I got the base coat on both the hat and the jacket. So now there's a couple different, probably many different ways that you can go from here. And for the hat, I'm just going to take a pencil. I'll just draw an outline on here, and then I'll paint it from there. With the jacket, I'll take a photo of the jacket, and then I'll draw a design digitally, take a projector, then I'll project the image right onto the jacket and get the outline on there. So when I paint it, it's exactly how I want it to look. Whereas the hat, you know, it's just a little more fun, more freestyle. This, I don't want to mess up as much, so I'm going to take a little more time with the sketch and everything. So here we go. All right, so I got my design. I got it going to my computer, to my projector. And then I'm projecting it onto the jacket here, and that's how I'm getting my outline. Alright, so what's up? Yep, so I just finished the jacket. This is the finished product, what it looks like right here. 5 over the top, peace sign, kind of exploding out of it. Alright, and then now I'm going to just do some time lapses and stuff of the hat I'm going to do. I'm going to give that one away. This one I'm going to sell. So Here goes the hat. This one was done with the projector. The hat's just total freestyle, freehand. So here goes the hat. Have a good one. Peace. Alright, so the final step of the process is doing a clear coat. So I go outside usually to do this if it's nice out, and if not, I try to go in the garage. I got the jacket here. This is painting for a friend, and the hat right here. And this is what I use for my clear coat. I use the Krylon Crystal Clear. You can pretty much get that in any store that has art stuff. And then when I do the hat and the jacket and stuff, I do the outside and the inside. Do about 3 coats, real light, saying about 12 inches back. So I'm gonna clear these up, and then that'll be the end of the process. Alright, so that's the end of the process. Done. Got my jacket clear coated, ready to go. Got my hat clear coated, ready to go. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.